Hi and welcome to the second video in our Learn to Knit series. So for this video we're going to learn the knit stitch. As you can see here, I've started us off. So I've worked a cast on row and then I've worked 6 rows in knit. So knit every single row, and this is the effect it creates. So this effect is what we call garter stitch, which simply means we're knitting every stitch in every row and it creates this lovely ridged fabric. So let's learn the knit stitch. So firstly we're going to hold our needle with our working stitches in our left hand, and then we're going to take our empty needle and hold this in our right hand. In essence, what we're going to do is we're going to transfer the stitches from the left hand side to the right hand side. So our first stitch. Using our empty needle on our right hand side, I'm going to slip this needle through the first stitch going front to back. Once we've done this, I'm then taking our working yarn and I'm just going to wrap this around the needle as so. Once the yarn is wrapped around the needle, we're then going to slip the stitch off the needle. And simple as that, our new stitch has been made. So I'll just take that through us again. So right hand needle through the next stitch, front to back, yarn around the needle, slip the stitch off the needle, second stitch created. And as you can see, we're transferring our stitches from left to right. So we'll go again. Right hand needle through the next stitch, front to back, yarn over the needle, slip this stitch off the needle, new stitch created. And this is how we do our knit stitch. So I'm going to carry on through this for the rest of the row. So again, right hand needle through the stitch, front to back, taking the yarn, popping it around the needle, slipping this stitch off the needle, stitch complete. And it is simple as that. So we're just going to carry on through this for the rest of the row. And go again. Right hand needle through the stitch, front to back, yarn around the needle, slip that stitch off, stitch complete. And now we have transferred all our stitches from our left hand needle to our right hand needle. So to do our next row, we then switch our needles around, turn our work around. So now our needle is back in the left hand side with our working stitches, and we once again have an empty needle on the right hand side. And we're simply just going to go again. So once again, empty needle from front to back, slip through, yarn around needle, slip that stitch off the needle, and we just carry on as so. And that is how we do our knit stitch. And then once our row is complete, all of our stitches are on our right hand side, we take our needle, take it back to our left hand side, and we're once again ready to go to knit our next row. And that is your knit stitch. I hope you enjoyed this video, and in our next video we're going to learn the purl stitch.